Good day. Saturday. 4 Cars of Coffee, of course. I just finished a photo shoot. It went amazing. Might put a couple photos here. We'll see. Might put a couple photos here. And, yeah. Now we're dealing with Shiloh. Shiloh. What happened to your car, Shiloh? Huh? What happened to your car? Huh? Want to tell people what happened to your car?
It's in VIP parking.
Yeah. that's him for impound. So, yeah. Those who got impounded for his exhaust.
No. VIP parking.
So, you ready?
We got the camera?
We got the camera.
We got the camera.
I'll be doing a vlog all day. And tomorrow, too.
Wow.
Yeah. And I'll also bring the vlog, too, because I've got a special appointment tomorrow with... Are you...
I just start pressing buttons.
No. Hey.
What's that?
Don't touch the dice.
No, it's over there.
No.
Look,
Hey.
look at that truck.
Yeah. Call the stupid cop again. Be useful. We're still waiting on him to pick up so you can get your plate back. No.
It's number 9.
Call number 9. Oh, okay. Will you get out of here? What are you doing?
You have reached mailbox number 40.
Had to make a, a pit stop. See a nice Supra.
Standard.
It's standard carbon options though. But I mean, it looks. Look at this thing. It's pretty good. It does look good.
Wait.
Okay, bye, Shiloh. I'll see you probably tonight, maybe, and then definitely tomorrow.
I don't have my car.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye to the vlog.
Fuck you.
All right. Yeah, car's coming out of his driveway. Okay. Anywho.
Look at this shit.
There you go. There you go.
Wait. That's probably that's gonna sound juicy. It's gonna sound juicy.
Okay, no, calm down.
You like my flywheel? Broken flywheel, friend?
Is that what that noise was?
What if I push the clutch? No more noise. It's a flywheel. It's fucked up.
Yeah, yeah.
But I mean, it's just the way the roads. So that happened 10,000K ago. So.
What? Got Tristan, vlog on vlogs,
Vlogging on vlogs.
Yes, sir.
Check out the merch. Do a little twirl for me. There we go.
Got you.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Little shameless self-promotion.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll get the
Oh,
yes,
exactly.
sir. Get the Tristan merch, Tristan Let's Go merch.
Excellent. I love it.
3 Corvettes, Tristan's Corvette, of course. Big ol' Mustang. What the fuck? And what is this, an Escort?
Let me put my truck back.
Yes.
Oh, get that in there. There you go.
This is just me today, not Davis. He's in Florida still, so.
I got these little things.
Miss your house.
There and fucking this. It saves the front. Dude, I look.
Yeah, how does he see?
Oh, and also
There's no way.
exist in this because your tiller is right next to your head. There's no. Dude, give it a little.
Do you have anything done to the engine or just?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, sure.
Hell yeah, brother.
Ow.
Then I do have valves on it.
Smell that. Huh.
What gas you put in there? 93?
No, I put 93, just a little mix
yeah.
in 91 right now.
Here, pull over here.
You park like a human.
Yeah, grandma.
Oh.
And is it turboed or is it just
Okay,
driven?
in the front.
It's just completely stock.
Alright,
This
stop.
motherfucker's gonna have like a big ass freaking
Whoa.
Holy fuck, yeah.
It says
dude.
Ford, it's stock.
Dude, that's sick. Fuck yeah.
SVT.
Nice.
I like that. Mine is a little
Jeez.
smaller.
Dude, fuck that.
Wider.
So, is there an intercooler up under that? Oh, it's right here. It has a GT painted on it.
No, but that's
Yeah, there's an intercooler underneath this.
yeah, that's liquid, right?
That's the front intercooler, and then it goes to the one in.
But there's a liquid one there, correct?
Yeah, circular.
Yeah, it's air to water. Here,
Yeah.
into there, out, and then it goes.
Because
to
it's
the
a
front.
liquid heat exchanger, and then there's an air-to-air in there,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
That's super sick.
So
Fuck yeah.
that one's liquid in there too. It goes liquid.
It's all.
Oh, it's liquid in there. It's liquid in there
dude,
too.
It's all air to water. It's
Okay.
all one system. It goes through the front.
How big is the one down there roughly? Oh, it's huge. Eh?
But you can see it. Yep, you can see it.
Dude, yo, that's
If you look in the front,
dope.
It's there.
oh yeah.
That's my favorite.
It's just a little cobalt that makes supercharger noise.
Okay. Cobalt.
Fucking double. It's like. No, dude, I think something's trying to fucking get out of there. All that exhaust.
Alright, it's rollers time right now. Gonna get some sick rollers of everyone's cars. That's what we're doing.
Hell
I think I'm hopping in with Aiden first. We're gonna get some shots of like muscle cars.
Pretty much.
Tristan's gonna send me the clips, so they'll play right about now. Alright, that's been accomplished. Now, rip home. And I think I'm continuing this I'm continuing this. Hey yo, what the fuck? I'm continuing this vlog in the morning. At CarsNCoffee, I'll probably start it. But until further none, English isn't a thing anymore, I guess.
Where are you going?
I'm here at home.
Yeah.
I'm tired as hell. Yeah.
I'm probably gonna do a lap and then head home.
Yeah. Alrighty, next day. Next day we had to make a pit stop and get Shiloh's car. As you guys plate back.
Big.
Yeah.
Well, I'm tired.
And now he's trying to figure out how to screw it back on. And then we'll be on our way to CarsNCoffee. Once he figures it out.
Shut your doo-doo ass up. It's a big day today. Alright, where's the nearest gas station?
But I can drive it again. Canadian Tire? Or no, if we go...
Isn't there one on the west side?
Not
I think since we're just over there.
close. I don't know if I have enough to get over there.
How much are you weigh?
I'm saying. Go down third. And then it takes us... There's the one on Scenic beside Aspensburg, beside A&W.
Oh yeah.
We do that one.
You live there.
Yeah. Alright, let's hear the cold start.
No, please. Get in your car.
No, viewers want to hear the cold start. On the...
It's just too good. I don't want to.
No, please.
No, I don't want to deafen them.
No, please. It's quiet.
Is this your car?
Yeah.
You're in the bike group chat, right?
I am.
Okay, yeah, I seen you posting all about this and shit, yeah. Yeah, this thing's sick.
Alrighty. Let's just make a little power. I think it's gnarly. Oh, it rips. Got you guys up front. Nice.
Sorry?
Got you guys up front. Oh, the 911's back. Whoa.
Dude.
Oh, little 993 turbo. 6-speed too. That's how I know.
What up, fool?
You know, we probably just saw you like 2 clips before this, but
Oh, last night?
yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude. Ooh.
Corey.
LSA with the thingy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the mods.
No, he made it look like a Holden.
Yeah.
With all the
I mean, close enough.
Oh, I love that thing. Yeah.
Close enough.
No, dude, it even has like a plaque. It has a Holden plaque on the door sill. So it's like,
Damn. All right. Yeah, it's his baby.
Dad.
Well, this is my baby, but you know.
Supercharged. I think it's yeah, it's
Take it. The RS5 driving behind you looks so aggressive in the mirrors.
So I asked about that. On the door.
It's behind me all like the whole university drive. For me. Yeah, it was scary. Oh, you haven't seen this one yet. You haven't been here. It's got a full Vorsteiner carbon fiber kit.
I can see that.
Yeah.
One day I will have.
Plus a rep. Tristan. Good morning, sir. How you doing, man?
Tired from yesterday.
Same.
But again, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, come on, Clayton. What are you doing?
I didn't even see last night.
Look at the wideness on this 240.
Look at how wide
Look
the
at
tires are.
How wide do you think those are? Like 340s?
I have no idea.
Holy.
That's definitely
Crap.
a fun drag car.
Oh, definitely.
I love it has like the little hooks too.
Got a roll cage, the hook, manual, and of course an RB26 up front with big turbo. Holy crap! I want it. How much?
I want it.
How much you want for it? Jeez. I see Jim also came out as well. Other Jim. The Gallardo. So it's a manual, right? It's clean. Tis a 6-speed gated manual. Don't see those very often. And we've got one in Lethbridge apparently. Oh, it's so clean. No, it's Gallardo. Gotta say it Italiano.
I can't even.
Gallardo.
I'm not gonna attempt that.
Alrighty, I'm gonna go to Tim's and grab myself a coffee because I am thirsty and tired. Coffee acquired. Back to CarsNCoffee. Z gang. Z's. Plus the 240. Can't wrong. M6. Tuned up. Very tuned up.
3 different classes.
Today, Aspen. Welcome, buddy. Vlogs. And we've seen this up. C8 just shut up as well. That's the C8. We got 1 of Sam's cars, 2 of Sam's cars. This is beautiful C7. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that pearl.
I'm faster.
Holy crap. This thing is actually nice. Manual. Oh my god. That's a wang. Oh, diffuser. That's a wang. That's not a wing, that's a wang. Oh, big old milk. Oh, that's a small turbo.
Yeah, my knees get
Yeah.
put your switches in.
What's in here? Oh. Just an LSA in this? There's an LSA in this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I just casually.
I think fits nice and snug.
I'll trade you.
Exclusive. The M6.
What extra room in there is there?
Oh my god. Jesus.
750 horses.
750.
It moves.
What the?
Right from top.
Right? Ah.
Always has to be someone going our way.
Of course, right? Always. Oh, Jesus. Oh, all that engine noise behind your head. Wow.
We rev at almost 9, right? I'm only at 6.
Oh, wow. That is loud. Jesus. Woo.
Stinks down here.
Yeah, usually.
Left we're just brutal.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow. Holy. Jeez.
I was 180.
Oh.
We left that car, like, we walked so fast away from it.
Huh.
Mexico.
Alrighty.
Mexico.
Yeah, this is Mexico. Yep. We are not in Canada anymore.
Yeah, you can push it. I don't even push it even close to its limits.
Oh, I can go faster than that?
It would go way faster.
Oh, jeez.
I don't drive it to its limit.
Fair enough.
I shift at about 7,000.
Oh, yeah.
Because I don't like to miss the shifts.
Yeah.
It's mad at me.
It's so crazy to see that number just fly up. Oh my. Oh. I wasn't recording. Great, wonderful. Well, Cars and Coffee's over. It's exhilarating. Whoa. Thing moves.